Hello guys and welcome back into today's video. I have a lot to talk about from Amazon earnings to overall the market, the levels on the SPY, Snapchat earnings, what futures are doing. So I have a lot to talk about, some potential plays for tomorrow. So overall, today we're taking a look at the Qs. Today was a red day because of Facebook earnings. So as you guys, remember from yesterday, Facebook had bad earnings. Now, Facebook, Google, Apple, those blue chip stocks, Amazon, whatever they do, the market is going to be following. Most of the market are these big tech companies. So Facebook had bad earnings. We gapped down around open. So as you guys can see, we gapped down, and overall, we just fell overall. Then until after hours, we had a very, very nice bounce because of Amazon earnings. So as you guys can see, Amazon is up over 14%. Taking a look at the earnings, we had the Rivian stake. So again, Rivian is a electrical vehicle company that Amazon owns 20% of. So that was pretty big. We also had Amazon Web Services. They pretty much beat earnings. We had, quarterly sales growing to 9.4% on Amazon. So overall, good news. No stock split, which we had false rumors on Twitter about a Amazon stock split, but no stock split. But then we also had Snapchat earnings, which ran 62% after hours. So if we actually take a look at Snapchat, it ran around 60%, 61%. And I want to explain to you guys why. Okay, on CNBC, it says it was their first ever quarterly net profit. Now, I want to go into TradingView and I want to show you guys something. So if you actually pull up, the Snapchat chart, and again, I want to take a look at the earnings. You guys can see the earnings. So we can take a look at kind of like the quarterly earnings. And now it's not updated the quarter four earnings, but we can look at the net income. So the purple one, they have always been negative. Okay, and Snapchat has not been a profitable company. Even taking a look at the monthly, the stock really does not do anything. But at the time of COVID, we had all the hype. Hype dragged up Snapchat. We had this with a lot of companies. The whole ARK ETF was hype. So Snapchat was one of those, hype stocks. It broke out pretty nicely, and it ran up incredibly. And in the past months, it had been falling. But okay, the latest earnings report, we actually saw a quarterly net profit. So you got to understand that, even NEO, taking a look at NEO, it's not a profitable company. Okay, I love TradingView. So let's remove our charts. I love TradingView. You guys can see the earnings. For example, we can take a look at Amazon. Amazon earnings, we're growing nicely, on the net income. So you really have to understand, take a look at earnings. A nice feature I wanted to show you guys on TradingView. So taking a look at SPY. Okay, taking a look at SPY, we basically kind of had this leg down over here. It broke that 450 level. So if we actually take a look at the 5 minute, it used that as a level of support. Once we broke that, we were just trading sideways. Power hours came in, and we had, huge volume to the downside for the market. Now, taking a look at SPY, okay, tomorrow market open, we're for sure looking to gap down. First, because we had Amazon earnings, Snapchat earnings, that should bring the market up. Second, we take a look at investing.com. So these are the market futures. We're basically looking to gap up around 1% right at market open. And overall, this is to do with earnings. And overall, most of the market was red today and yesterday after hours because of, Facebook, also known as Meta, wipe out, $250 billion wipe out. It's just incredible. I also want to do some recaps on my trade. I basically just barely didn't do any trades, just did a scalp on SPY puts, which was a very nice 10%, 20% paper handed. But taking a look overall, I'm taking a look, we had a nice up. We pulled back, traced down, and we're looking to go for 472. So I'm still holding off my triple QQQ shares. Okay, we tested that level of support on QQQ. So as long as if we hold that level, it'll be nice. Again, stop loss at break even for the triple QQQ shares, which I've alerted on Discord. So overall, the whole market, it's going to be very, very interesting. I'm also, again, watching Tesla for tomorrow. Tesla does have a very, very nice setup for the market. Overall, taking a look, even Microsoft today was the day where we kind of tested the level of support. Microsoft kind of has a inverse head and shoulder, and basically today was the day where we tested that level of support. Even taking a look at UVXY is testing the resistance. So today was really a test day. I mean, the whole market was pretty much red, which was just incredible. So overall, Tesla is going to be on my number one watch for tomorrow. Expect to gap up. And overall, that is all very, very simple video. I also did want to talk about crypto because crypto is looking to break the downtrend. So some plays are going to be Mara, Riot, some potential plays. We have a gap fill around on Riot. So overall, that is all very simple video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Barely no alerts for today. Futures are doing nicely. And overall, hope you guys enjoy, content like this. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on. And overall, see you guys tomorrow at Market Open. And next week, tomorrow is Friday, so next week we actually do have Consumer Price Index, which I'm going to make a whole video on that. So overall, see you guys. Bye-bye tomorrow.